Let's learn this math knowledge question for the ASVAB. Pi cat, cat IV, AF QT, AF CT, and ASVAB GT. The question asks here, if A minus B not equal 0, then A square minus B square divided by A minus B equal to what, right? So in order to solve this problem, what you have to do, you have to expand that A square minus B square. So let me write that down here. A squared minus B squared over A minus B. So what you have to do, you have to expand that. So you know that this is actually a formula, A square minus B square, which is A plus B times A minus B, and then the bottom you have A minus B. So now you could cancel out A minus B and minus B from top and bottom. So what you have left, you have A plus B. With that, the correct answer is option D. Make sure that you practice this type of problem over and over again. Also save it to your favorite so you could come back and study this type of question to help you prepare for the ASVAB test.